In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $35,150 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from YouTube. Okay, I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube if you want to earn some commission. And for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will share with you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $11,250 available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and this commission over here, $35,150 in commission, took me 3 months. Okay, so anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to make money with Fiverr affiliates, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to scroll down like this and go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, your username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a profitable and good services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. Okay, so how do you choose a good and profitable services? So just go to your YouTube homepage like this. Okay, open your YouTube homepage. So why I choose to promote my affiliate links on YouTube? So did you know that YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors? Okay, that's a really a big number, guys. Okay, you can make so much, you can get so much traffic from YouTube. 30 billion monthly visitors, that's a really big number. YouTube is the second largest search engine, okay, after Google. Google is number 1, YouTube is number 2. Okay, so what you will do, anyways, just go to your YouTube homepage and ask question. Click on the search and ask any questions. Just ask, for example, we'll ask how to, let's say how to run, let's say Google Ads, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, this is report search prediction, as you can see over here. Okay, people are searching for how to run Google Ads for local business, how to run Google Ads campaign, how to run Google Ads for Shopify, how to run Google Ads campaign for websites. Okay, let's take this topic, how to run Google Ads. I will go back to Fiverr. Okay, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for Google Ads campaign. Okay, like this, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, I will choose for example this one. Okay, this one is top rated seller. Okay, he has 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will set up Google Ads AdWords PPC campaign for your business. This one is really good. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Okay, so just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. So after you finish, click over here and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we will go back to the seller profile page, we will scroll down, we will click on his video. Let's see.
Hi there, I'm Alexa. Welcome to my Fiverr.
Looking really good. Double click on the video, click on save video. Okay, and save this video to your laptop. I will name it Google Ads campaign, for example, like this. Okay, and what you will do next, you will go back to Google, search for Canva like this, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and this for free. So what you will do next, click on video and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload, click on upload file. Okay, and you need to upload this video to your Canva account. Okay, click on open and here you go. Click on your video. Your video will be over here like this. Okay, click on this 3 points and click on set video as background. Okay, like this. What you will do next, you will click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. I will use this one. Just click on the text style. Your text style will be here. Delete this part and decrease the font size of your text like this. Okay, double click on your text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description. It's super easy. Okay, and make this text like this. Okay, and click over here on elements, click on shape, click on color and use black color and click on this shape and put this shape behind your text like this. And here you go. Let's check now.
Hi there, I'm Alexa. Welcome to my Fiverr gig. I'm a certified digital marketing expert based in the UK and my passion is to help businesses grow. I specialize in paid advertising such as Google Ads and have over 5 years of experience.
This seller is really good. He is explaining his service to his customers and he can really help those people run Google Ads campaign and grow their businesses. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on share, click on download and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, open your YouTube channel, upload this video to your YouTube channel, and what you will do, you will copy this keyword: how to run Google Ads for businesses. Okay, use just this keyword: how to run Google Ads for businesses. And because you should use those keywords. Okay, so people who are using those keywords, they will find your video in search results. If you are not using those keywords, people will not find your video in search results. Okay, so use those keywords, upload your video, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Okay, it's really super easy. This is the method that I'm using, but you need to stay consistent. You need to keep using research, find trending and what people are searching for on YouTube, which topics. Go to Fiverr, search for services related to those topics and upload, make videos about those services, upload those videos to YouTube and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and you can start making a lot of money with this method if you stay consistent and you work hard and you keep improving. Okay, and that's it. For people who don't know exactly how to do it, I will leave a link in my description below showing you step by step how you can do it. Okay, how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel and how you can add your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.